You've just signed up for Acorns, and you're eager to start growing your money. But there's one pesky hurdle in your way: verification. You're probably wondering, how long does this actually take? Trust me, I've been there. It's like waiting for your pizza to arrive. The anticipation is killing you. So let's dive in and figure out this verification process together. First off, what exactly is verification? In simple terms, it's Acorn's way of making sure you're actually you. It's like showing your ID at a bar. They want to be certain you're old enough to enjoy the good stuff. In this case, the good stuff is your money. So, it's a necessary evil, but it can be frustrating. Now, how long does it take? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Acorn says it usually takes 1 to 5 business days, but let's be real, who wants a vague answer like that? We want specifics, right? There are a few factors that can influence verification time. First up, the type of verification you're going through. If you're just verifying your identity, it might be quicker than if you're linking a bank account. Secondly, how quickly you respond to any requests from Acorns can make a difference. And let's not forget those pesky weekends and holidays, which can slow things down. So, what can you do to speed up the process? Well, double-check all the information you enter. Mistakes can lead to delays. Respond to Acorns promptly if they need anything from you. And, of course, be patient. It's not the most exciting part of the Acorns journey, but it's a necessary one. While you're waiting, why not explore the Acorns app a bit more? Check out the different investment options, set your goals, and get a feel for how the platform works. It might help pass the time. Now, let's talk about what happens if it takes longer than 5 business days. Don't panic, but it's worth reaching out to Acorns customer support. They can investigate the issue and hopefully get things sorted out. So, there you have it. Verifying your Acorns account might not be the most thrilling experience, but it's a crucial step. With a little patience and attention to detail, you'll be well on your way to growing your money. And remember, while verification might feel like an eternity, your investment journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your financial goals, and don't let a little delay discourage you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.